Bikonu Umibo. Ife abo ozi this our sister Zigala, governor of Anambra State, Governor Soludo. Bikonu. Obuna in this message. Send it to our governor. Call we get here. 191 yakulu. Bikonu. And
good day everyone. Good afternoon. Good evening. Depending on location. I dey do this video again because of what my sister is passing through. The family of Francis Enibe, the chairman of Mbuka Obere Amazu Onitsha. Very dark man, please help me. Tunde no. All the good people, all the activists, please, you push your help. Very dark man, I appreciate your work. My sister's husband has gone missing since 2023, September 25th. Based on the order by Professor Soludo, the governor of Anambra State, he made sure that sit at home is abolished in 2023. That was his first command. And this man, Francis Enibe, went to, based on what the governor instructed, that the market must remain open on a Monday. My in-law, Francis Enibe, went to market on that day because he said, if you do not open your market, the executive will be dissolved. And being the chairman, he went to obey the governor. Right in the market of Mbuka spare parts, Amazu, he was kidnapped, bundled inside boots. Since 2023 to date, all efforts, both the spare parts, both my family, both my elder brother, all the effort they made, both monetary aspects, the energy, the time, all, nothing come out. Now, my sister with 7 children are suffering. The food they eat, the water they drink is from family, from friends, neighbors. The children are still small. My sister is sick. What could a cleaner in private hospital do? She's just a cleaner. She's not doing anything tangible to survive the 7 children. Every month, with our little pay, you must send something to her for her to do what? Even at 1 cup of garri to buy 1 cup of rice. Governor Soludo, you are the one that did this thing to this family. If not the instruction you gave, this man wouldn't have left his house on a Monday to go to his shop. You said if nobody go, 2 things will happen. Just like what you're doing now, Governor Soludo. This man has gone and never returned back. What do you do? Nothing. Are you telling me that you're not hearing what has happened to this man for the past 3 years plus? A chairman of Mbuka Obere got missing till today. Ransom paid, nothing come out. The family are in a very state of dilemma. Nothing. If this man has been killed, we did not see the dead body. If he has been buried somewhere, we need to see the dead body. Nothing. We did not see. Upon all the efforts, the spare parts my families did, all was in vain. Up to now, even the government did not even say, oh, the family, sorry. Nothing to show, no remorse from the governor. Very dark man, Tunde Enoch, all the bloggers, please post this video for me. Let Professor Soludo see this. Maybe if he's pretending he has not seen it, let us see it. The family of Mr. and Mrs. Francis Enibe, the Francis Enibe is the husband. We have not seen him. He's our in-law. The wife is my elder sister. Every time this woman is complaining, crying, we don't want to lose her. We don't want to lose my sister. We have 7 children. She's alive. She's passing through. What if she dies tomorrow? God forbid. Who will take care of the 7 children? The husband is nowhere to be found. The children are just there. No school fees, nothing, no school. Nothing. All the business this man has been doing in Mbuka has come down. Nothing is happening in their life. Professor Soludo, Charles, do something for this family. It is your order that kept them in that state of dilemma. If it is not your instruction, Francis Enibe will not go to market and open on a Monday since he sits at home. But he obeyed you. You obeyed your instruction. Nothing has been done for their family.